'Tis the season of the quick fire. All right, let's jump into shrimp tacos. Easy, delicious, nutritious. Here we go. Yeah, so some moving parts here. I want to do a charred Asian slaw with this. I've got my Kamado Joe Classic 3 set up at 425. Yeah, hey, and check it, look, I've got my favorite accessory, all right? Yeah, well, one of my favorite accessories. I didn't mean to leave you out, Soapstone. But this is a cast iron griddle, a 2-for-1. As you can see, it's riveted on the other side. So it's 2-for-1, right? 2 different sear signatures, heat signatures. Open grill grate on this side so I can play around. Let's get started on the slaw. I got this really cool Napa cabbage, and don't let the comment section fill up with, what are these little black spots here? I don't know, but it's not dirt, okay? And I'm cool with it, you know, I'm good with it. I'm gonna leave the root end on, and I do that when I'm grilling romaine. I do it with other vegetables. I'm gonna use this big old awesome vegetable cleaver. Look at this thing.
Beautiful.
You know? Super fun, heavy in the head, so it just splits right through. Yeah, that was like really fun.
It's like a variety of cabbage. It's really cool.
Yeah, it's a Chinese Napa cabbage, and again, I don't know much about these spots, but I'm into it. I think it's gonna give it a cool look. So now I've got access to this. I'm not gonna put oil on it. I'm not worried about it sticking to the grill grate. I will put a little bit of salt before we hit it, and we're on. Okay, little positive pressure here. I'm not looking to change the cellular structure or make it soft. I just want a little char. I can put that directly on the charcoal too if I wanted. Then you can hear that little bit of sizzle if I stop talking. And that's what I want to hear, right? So I'm just getting that of the grill flavor that's going to kind of go through the entire dish. So the slaw portion of this is going to, I don't know if we're going to put it on top of the shrimp or on the bottom, probably on the bottom. Really fun. So let's just take a sneak peek of where we're at right now. A little bit of char. I want more. We're just going to go.
Whoa.
Yeah. We're going to get serious here.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Right in there.
Why not? Open up that draft door so we can get some more moving oxygen through there. You can see this start to wilt a little bit, so that's kind of like a, hey, time to come off. Look at that. Now I've got just the char I want, still nice and firm. The aromas are of char, all right? So let's, yeah, we'll just kind of, how fun is that? Perfect.
So it's still crisp.
It's still crisp.
Yeah.
You don't want it to be loosey-goosey, all right? I want that crunch, I want that char, and I've got it. So how fun is that? Now we're gonna make, usually I do this in a separate bowl, but let's make our slaw seasoning. Oh my gosh, my phone keeps going off. let's do our seasoning right on top.
It's the lettuce police.
So a little bit of Kewpie mayonnaise there, dash of soy sauce, dash of rice wine vinegar, not too much, hey, take it easy. Dash of sweet chili. Oh yeah, I forgot, that's gonna pour up different, yeah, good. A little bit of carrot. Let's do some lime juice, you know what I mean? I wanna brighten this up.
This is quick.
Yeah.
It's like real time. Go.
And I'm doing this, I could grill this too if I wanted to, but let's not get carried away. Awesome. Let's chop up a little cilantro.
Cilantro.
Chop.
There are two kinds of people in the world, Eric.
Those who like cilantro and
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And those who don't.
I think that's us, you know. Let's knock a little salt in there and a little pepper for good measure, and then stir it up. And just like that, we have a charred Asian slaw. Little cilantro, little lime, little sweet chili, little mayonnaise, and doesn't that look fun? It's not overdressed. If it were overdressed, what would we do? We'd chop up a little bit more cabbage and put it in there and bulk it up, okay? But that doesn't look like a sopping wet salad to me.
That's great.
Yeah, looks great. Taste test. Yep. Charred Asian slaw. Check. Now, let's examine our shrimp. A little salt, please. A little pepper. Tongs. Could oil the shrimp. I say we oil the accessory. It's on a bit of a hill, so I'll play the slope, and we'll go right on. I love cooking shrimp on this. This is so much fun. Now you can do this on the soapstone. We can do this on the grill grate. Something about the connectivity of a flat surface, though, for a nice sear, is exactly what I'm looking for. We'll wake up these little tortillas we picked up at the tienda.
Those corn?
Yeah, corn flour. And we're just waking these up. I don't need like the big grill flavor. I just want to kind of make them a little more pliable. Let's jump back on this cleaver. This is gonna be so fun. Oh, when you're looking for the proper pineapple, you can't thump them, you can't smell them, you can't squeeze them, and no, you pull these little fronds out, and if they pull out just like so, they're ready. If you're tugging on it, and it's not coming out, not ready, that's what we're looking for. All right.
Good tip.
Yeah, and we don't need much pineapple. Oh, that's so fun. Plant that, and you got yourself a pineapple plant. Let's just carve off the outside of one side. I'm not gonna do the whole thing because we're only got a couple tacos here.
I want one of those cleavers.
Yeah,
Thing's awesome.
well, I've done corn with it too, and it just so fun. The weight just kind of takes all the work out of it, so it's like just a joy. Yeah. Let's put that in the grill grate. Flip our shrimp. It's quick fire. You know what I mean? Tacos should be quick. Beauty.
Oh, beauty.
All right. Nice caramelization there. I'm going to hit these with a little teriyaki as well. You know what? Perhaps we go ahead and chop these. I want to cut them into pieces and mix them up with this. That way they're getting quicker caramelization and the teriyaki sauce hits everything. So let's back to the board. And then watch this. How fun is that? Hey, you. Little teriyaki glaze I picked up at Publix. And it's almost done. Now we put the glaze on. If you put it on too early, it's going to over caramelize, aka burn. And just in an effort to save having to wash dishes, looks like the proper amount for a slaw. Let's just do it. I wasn't sure if I was going to go on top or on bottom. We're just going to mix it.
Go together.
Yeah, right. I mean, it's just cooking. There's no real rules. Do what you want to do. So now we got a charred Napa pineapple shrimp slaw taco.
I feel like I can taste it already just by smelling it.
Yeah,
unbelievable,
right? I mean, it's like you eat with your eyes. That's certainly delicious. I've got this gorgeous serrano that I want a piece of. Cool. Could take the seeds out if I was worried about the heat. I'm not.
Dang, no muss, no fuss. Just get after it.
Nah, I'm just playing. You know. And then look at that. Gorgeous. That's a lot. Let's just go half of that.
just playing.
Yeah, just playing. Want to make tacos, ended up making a salad. Jeez Louise. And absolutely gorge. You know, I'm not going to do your typical, cheese on the taco and that sort of thing. I think we're just going to give this kind of a toss here. Let's make sure we get a good shrimp to slaw ratio. Hey, not too much, buddy. All right. That's a lot of shrimp and some pineapple. We go on with just another little dash of teriyaki. Look at that. Don't break, don't break, don't break, don't embarrass me in front of my friends. That's a taco to write home about. Woo! The spice is nice. That's a Tuesday 5-minute.
Serrano catch up to you?
Yeah. I put a little more in there than I probably should, but I'm liking it. That's a 5-minute Tuesday night meal, you know? We can turn that into a burrito. We can turn that into a salad. We cool that down. Leftovers are going to be insane on that, okay? The charred flavor from the Napa really coming through. The teriyaki glaze. Really fun, simple things. Simple things done perfectly win every time. We say it time and time again. Folks, if you enjoyed this video, do all the things. Share, like, do leave us a comment. And as always, from our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling.